This is an emergency broadcast from the National Survival Authority. Please listen carefully to the following instructions. A time anomaly has been detected in your area. Reports have confirmed sightings of the Lepidodendron tree. This species was believed to be extinct over 200 million years ago. If you see this tree, you are no longer in reality.
Time has fractured. The present is not the present. The future is not the future. You are stuck. You are trapped. You will remain forever.
The Lepidodendron should not exist. It has returned from an era long gone, an era before humanity. If you see it, you are in a place beyond time. The rules you know no longer apply. What you see is not real. What you hear is not real. You are lost in a cycle.
Do not approach the tree. Do not touch the bark. If you hear whispers, run. Do not look back. Time bends around the Lepidodendron. You will not escape. You are no longer where you were. Wake up! Wake up! This is not real. Wake up!